What is the difference between peering agreements and transit agreements? Have you ever wondered how the internet manages to connect millions of networks seamlessly? A big part of that puzzle lies in the agreements between networks, specifically peering agreements and transit agreements. Let's break down what each of these means and how they differ. Peering agreements are arrangements where two networks agree to exchange traffic directly without charging each other. This exchange can happen at internet exchange points, which are public locations where multiple networks connect, or through private connections between the two networks. The beauty of peering is that it allows networks to share their traffic directly, which can lead to faster connections and improved performance. This is especially beneficial for networks that have similar sizes or volumes of traffic, as they can efficiently handle their customers' data without involving third parties. On the other hand, transit agreements involve one network paying another network to carry its traffic to and from the wider internet. In this scenario, the network that provides transit acts as a gateway, allowing the customer network to reach all destinations on the internet. This is particularly important for networks that do not have direct peering relationships with every other network. Transit agreements typically come with costs based on how much bandwidth is used, making them a necessary option for many smaller or geographically isolated networks that need broader internet access. Now, let's look at some key differences between these two types of agreements. First, the cost aspect. Peering is usually free or involves low costs since it is a mutual exchange, while transit agreements requiring payment for access to the wider internet. Next, consider the scope. Peering only exchanges traffic between the two networks involved, whereas transit agreements provide access to all internet destinations. Performance is another area where they differ. Peering often results in lower latency and better overall performance due to the direct connections, while transit may involve routing traffic through multiple networks, which can increase latency. Lastly, the use cases vary. Peering is ideal for networks that have significant mutual traffic or are of similar size, while transit is essential for those needing comprehensive internet access. Understanding these differences can help network operators make informed decisions about how to optimize their costs and performance. Peering can reduce reliance on transit providers and help manage traffic more efficiently, while transit agreements ensure global connectivity for networks that need it. Both types of agreements are vital for the smooth operation of the internet and its data infrastructure.